Before this video starts, I just want to say that I have bought a new project. Your only hint will be that it's a classified as a moped and it will have some StuNT parts. I want you to guess in the comment section down below, and if you guess it's right, you will get a shout out in the reveal video. And now enjoy the video.
Yo, what's up everyone, it's StuNT here and welcome to the second episode of the StuNT building series where we're turning this 2007 Derbi Senda into a StuNT Supermoto. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. Hope you guys are as well, because you guys smashed the support on the first episode. So let's do it for this episode as well, where today we are going to be building a custom license plate holder. We're going to mount some mirrors and we're going to build mounts for the indicators. It didn't have indicator mounts, so I'm going to build that today as well. Hope you guys will enjoy this video as much as you enjoyed the first episode. I would love to bring you guys the engine video today, but sadly that did not happen today. But we're doing some other things that will be fun as well. And if you guys are excited, leave a big fat thumbs up and let's get straight into it. Alright, so let's start off with the license plate mount. So this is material right here is what we're gonna use to build our license plate. We're gonna cut this down. We're gonna to angle it so it's like a bit angled down. I don't want a 90-degree angle. I mean, that's the legal way, but it's not looking good. So we're gonna do it more enduro style, like having like maybe like 20 degrees angle. But as you guys can see, it won't fit underneath here, which I want it to. So we need to measure this down here and then we need to cut it, and that's the first step of building our own license plate. Alright, so we got this right here. We're gonna measure the inside of these bars right here. This depends on what bike you have, but you can follow along. Just make sure you adapt it to your bike. So the smallest area will be here on the end because it goes kind of like this. So we're gonna measure right here at the end. It's 11.9 millimeters, and this thing right here is 14.9. So we need to cut this down by 3 millimeters. That means 1.5 on each side, which shouldn't be too big of a deal, which should be really easy to do. I'm also using GoPro Hero 7 Silver right now, so hopefully the quality is much better, or at least a slight bit better. That should be good enough for a start. License plate mount, it looks kind of sick in my opinion. Need to blur the plate out. But up here we got the, what is it called, the light bar, and we got the like the entire plate mounted up. It's not the prettiest mount, but we have to do the trick. So here is the mirrors, underlaying mirrors. I have no idea how I'm gonna mount this. I've already sneak peeked this once, so I already kind of knew how they look like. But they look sick, dude, and I got some bar ends, so that's sick as well. There's so many things I bought that haven't really fitted right now. It's unreal. But I guess that's just how it is buying aftermarket parts. They were cheap at least, and that's what matters. And once I get them to work, however I get them to work, they will look better than these ones, so. Yep, that's way better. Look, this looks way cleaner than this, so this thing is going off. But I'm gonna disassemble this, paint it, and then we're gonna make some mounts for the indicators before paint, and then paint it, mount it, and see how it looks. The good thing about filming this is that I can go back, watch the footage when I'm reassembling this tomorrow. It's really beat up for some reason, so it's like a lot of marks. It's all good because you can see the underneath. You can get a lot of dirt on it. Just that it's like main color is black. That's all I want to go for. So this one turned out really sick, although there's scratches everywhere. If this will be a paint job, I mean, I would question myself. So it's gonna go right here. Always use lock-in nuts, just so you keep it in place when it vibrates and stuff. So let's see. There you go. And then we'll take the second one. Dude, I'm really excited to see how this is gonna line up. And also, one thing that sucks, I mean, I was really hyped about having this chassis, whatever you call it, in the grey factory grey color, which looks super sick. The bad thing is that the swing arm for some reason is grey, so we need to paint that black. It's not gonna look the prettiest when it combo, but it's better than having it in light grey and the rest of the chassis in dark. I don't get it why they did it. I don't think somebody has changed the swing arm. If someone done it, I mean, I would really want to know the story why. But I think they just in factory they didn't paint the swing arm. Like legit, that I think that's what happened. But yeah, let's put a washer down here. The nut. But dude, right now I just can't wait to ride it because I haven't ridden a bike in like a month. Not exactly been a month, and it's like 2 months left until I can like really go out and ride again. It sucks. Imagine living in like California or something where you can ride all day every day, pretty much. But then you don't have time to really sit down and work on your bike. And this year I want to have my bike done in like March, so that last year I began riding in like middle of May. So I missed out on the first spring months, and I wasn't good at riding at all in the beginning. So this year I hope I can enjoy those months a bit more, because those are the golden months of the year. So I think it was these holes right here, I put them in. You can see how I cracked it, I just fucked it up. Hopefully it will still hold up. For some reason I always tend to make the license plate, just put on the license plate mount before anything else. It's probably just that like I'm waiting for parts, because yesterday I ordered some new parts for this, so that's really exciting. I have bought a new project which I haven't showed you guys yet, so if you guys can guess. I'm really excited for it, and it's gonna be something new to the channel for sure, in one way. So I'm really excited to see what you guys have to say about it. So I'm just gonna mount this indicator up, see how it looks, and then I'm gonna call it a day. I really need to move this indicator up a lot, but that's for later. I will go ahead and adjust all these things, and I'm gonna show you guys that later. But I think we did a pretty good job. It was mainly this I wanted to do with the license plate mount, and also the mirrors, which I think turned out really sick. We don't have this up here anymore, and if I want to do wheelie, just do this, and then we're seeing behind us when doing wheelie, just pull it down. That looks really sick. I know everything is not aligned, it's like everything is like crooked and shit, but it's like a stunt bike. I'm probably gonna loop it or scrape or something, and all this is just gonna be gone, so that's whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really appreciate the support in the build series. This was one of those episodes which I don't do something that's super fun. It's kind of like a boring thing, but it has to be done. And next episode, hopefully I'm praying that I have all the parts put together, the engine can do the first start with the new crank, and with the engine assembled, first time I hear this baby roar. And then we have stuff with the exhaust, and I have some really exciting things coming in. Now after this video right here, all the videos is just gonna be better and better, like big things like engine, exhaust, things for the like stunt parts. It's just gonna be a lot of fun. This is one of the last videos where we are doing something boring.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay awesome, be positive. It's been your boy StuNT, and I'm out. Take it easy. Peace.